How to add the menu to your Wix mobile site. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So if you're missing a menu or if you don't see it and you want to add it to your mobile view, maybe you have it on your desktop view, but you want to also have it on your mobile view, I'll show you exactly what you need to do in order to make it show up again. So let's just go and get started. Open up your Wix website and just go to the main dashboard. In here, this is not Wix Studio, by the way. This is going to be for the default Wix. I need to note this. So yeah, if you're following me with the default Wix, you're good to go. Click on Edit Site and open up your site editor. And let's just go and wait for this to load in, and then I'm just going to show you exactly what you need to do next. So there are going to be basically two different things that could possibly make your menu on your mobile phone not show up. One is going to be from within the pages and layout section. You pretty much turned off the menu. And the second thing is that you may have deleted your menu by accident, and then we will need to restore it. So let's just go in and get to it. We're going to first go and click on switch to mobile. So edit your site for mobile, click on that, which should be at the top here, as you can see. Now, once you see this, if you don't see your menu right away, because look, if we just go back to desktop, we can actually see we have our header. Yes, I don't have a menu, but if there was a menu, we can actually see it. And then we can just go back to mobile here. Mobile does not really have one. So in this case, what we need to do basically just go ahead and click on menus and pages on the left panel. And then once this opens up, we just want to go to the home page, click on the three dots right next to it, click on mobile settings. And then you should see no header and footer is selected. In this case, all you need to do really is just go in and make sure it is standard. And we are good to go. We can actually see we have our menu and we have our header. Now, if this is not your problem and you already have it on standard, but you don't see your menu, so that means you pretty much just deleted it like I just did. So in this case, what you need to do, just go ahead and click on add to mobile from the left panel. Sorry, ignore that. We don't want to go to add to mobile. This is not where we will find a menu. You can search for it, but you can't really find it in here. So yeah, what you actually need to do is just go to this little eye icon, which is hidden on mobile. This is pretty much all the different elements that you hid from mobile. So just go and click on it and you will find the mobile menu icon. This should be here. Just click on show. And now it's pretty much, here for you, and you can just drag it and drop it wherever you want it to be. Now you can obviously feel free to adjust it when it comes to design wise, edit menu, all of these things are also very much adjustable here. But if it is hidden for you, just check in the hidden on mobile, because you can't really add it and you can't really delete it. So it must be in here. But yeah, this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.